Hi everyone, my name is Alingmudi. Let's talk about learning English from English. English is a common language. We use it to talk to people from different countries. Learning it really makes school easier. It opens more knowledge. Thank you. Hello friends, I'm Emma Malani. I want to share we will should learn English yearly. English is spoken by many people around the world. It helps us make new friends when we start yearly. We learn fast English also help us just studies. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Karthi. I am studying third standard. Dogs are lovable animal. Thank you. My name is Dash. I am studying third standard from Time is money. Kala Ponponadu. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Tachni. I am studying third standard JK question. How many hours are there in a day? Answer 24 hours. Thank you. அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். என் பெயர் அறிப்பிரியா. நான் 3ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். பழமொழி: அகல் வட்டம் பகல் மழை. நன்றி.